So the Bosch sensor finally came in. There's the part number. So if I compare it to the old one, sure looks identical to me. If we compare the part numbers, that's right, the old one, it was a little hard to see because it was a little faded. Anyways, they're somewhere around here. Hard to tell, but they look identical. So now I'm going to install the new one, start it up. Hopefully numbers end up being what they should be. So everything's set back to the defaults. So let's restart it. This time it'll allow it to relearn all the base maps. So now my goal is to see how much I can turn the crank before the distributor starts to turn. So I'm going to start turning it now. I'm actually going to ratchet the tool. Now I can see it starting to turn the distributor. So now I'm going to reverse rotate the engine. Let's see how long before. And now the distributor is turning. Do it once more, the other direction. Oops. So let's see how long before the distributor starts to turn. See the distributor turning. Opposite direction. Does seem like it takes a while for it to start turning. So I'll share this video and we'll see if anyone who knows these engines a little more what they think on the amount that it turned.